If you are not pre-styling your wigs the day before, girl, you are missing out on a quick install. So I always like to pre-style my wigs. This reinstall I'm going to be doing today, I made sure to set the hair with rollers the night before and get it prepped. That way, when I'm ready to go and ready to do what I need to do, all I have to do is put it on. The link will be below for today's wig, so be sure to check the description box. But we're going to jump right into this glueless install with tape only. This wig is a 360 invisible strap lace wig, and as you can see, it's already pre-plucked. It comes like this. This is what the invisible strap look like in the back, and it makes it easy to do a tape install. So this is the tape that I will be using for today. You can find this at your local beauty supply. I will also have some linked in the Amazon link below. A lot of times when you are using tape, it's easy to just put the tape on before you start your install the day before. That way, all you have to do in the morning time is just kind of remove the tape and press it. So I'm just taking pieces of the tape. I did cut it in half because I don't really feel like you need huge pieces. A lot of times I work out every single day almost, and I have used tape and it holds. It really do. So this is the only technique I like to use. Glue is too messy for me. Like, I like glue, but I don't like the mess that it make and how hard it is to remove off the hairline. I'm also going to apply a bigger piece, just 2 pieces to the back, right over top of that invisible strap. And like I said, because the invisible strap is so thin, it makes it easy to put the tape on top. So I basically just cut it in half and then place the tape on the invisible strap that's in the back. Just 2 pieces, that's all you really need for this. One thing I do love about the tape method is that it's not messy. There's not a lot of shine, and I do notice that it holds for days if I allow it to, and the longer it is adhered to your head, the more, I guess, tighter it gets. So at first when you do apply the tape, you're going to notice that you can't stick it, like it's going to be like it's coming up. But over time, after you tie it down and as you wear the wig throughout your day, you'll notice that it starts to really grip onto the hairline very well. So as you can see, I'm just placing it down. This is so simple and so easy, and I'm pressing the back, pressing the sides. Make sure your hairline on the wig is positioned where you want it to, but even if it's not, the great thing about the tape is that you can just take it up and place it back down. It's not going to cause any white residue. It's not going to be messy. And like I said, it don't really stick until you tie it down and it's been like a couple of hours, and you will start to notice that it will start to really grip the skin. Another way I've also done the tape is just applying it to the ear tab area and not at the actual front of the hairline at the forehead. But this time I just did it differently because I just wanted to show you guys that you can put it all around the hairline if you would like, or you can just put it at the sides. So now I'm going to tie it down with the edge band. You can leave it on for 5 to 15 minutes. It really, just as long as you tie it down, really doesn't matter. Yeah, but to remove this, it removes so simple. It doesn't remove with sweat, but it definitely removes with this, my sticky little secret lace remover glue. So that's what I use to remove it. And I also take a bit of their melting spray right at the edge of the lace, because sometimes the tape, you may not place it exactly at the edge of the lace. So if you just want to get the little lace pieces that may be sticking up, you can use some of that melting spray to help further lay it down. And just that fast, the install is complete, and as you can see, it's not coming up, it's holding down really well. Now with this hair, it has some beautiful highlights in it, some blonde highlights underneath. It's like dark at the top, and then it has like the beautiful blonde highlights. So I'm just adding a little bit of touches to the front. I did use the rollers on it, which gave the hair a lot of body. The curls with the rollers just kind of loosened up over a day or so, but for the most part, it gave the hair a lot of body. With the tape method and the invisible strap, you can pull this hair up into a high bun ponytail, and as you can see, it looks very natural in the back. It doesn't look bad, and the back is also adhered with that tape, so it's not going to go anywhere, honey. It's just going to look just so flawless and so natural. So again, this wig will be linked below in the description box. Be sure to check there. I will also put some discounts down there, and the glue, not the glue, I'm sorry, the tape will be in the Amazon link below. Thank you guys so much for watching.